sheared it off. Cheap ass Harley bolts. Alright, wonderful. Seems to get things done tonight. I don't know if it bottomed out in there or what. It seemed like it didn't want to tighten up, that's for sure. Finally did. Then it broke. My damn flashlight in my pocket. So, what's the deal with these stupid ass bolts here? Stupid ass Indian is the problem. Ah, fucking shit. Ain't one thing, it's another thing. Hydraulic it, I don't know. I blew all this shit out already, but obviously not. This is a hydraulic tip. Isn't easy now. Okay, I've been a dumbass. I probably hydraulic the stupid thing. I thought I blew all these holes out. Obviously I did not. That's going to cost me a bunch of time and effort to fix it. Lack of sleep and frustration will do that too. Okay. Luckily we do have sort of a drill pattern here. Is that going to help me or hurt me? I think it'll hurt me. It broke off pretty clean, which is a plus. Alright. Stupid ass shit. So there you go. Figure out how I'm going to use to get that out of there with. Let's tap drill on. I don't know what size it is. Probably 5/16 F drill. F drill, not F's. These are F's. Looks like we're going to have one in here. F. Okay, we know what an F looks like. I'll use my crescent wrench. Alright. Tools. I should have brought the whole damn container with me. See if I can explode out the back side. Yeah, they're thick enough I didn't do that at least. Ooh, it's clean too. Okay. Now for the fun part. Getting it out of there. It's got Loctite on it and it's hydraulic in. So I mean it's under tension. Good combo. Some light's better than no light, I guess. That's off center. close enough. We'll have to burn it in there. It's killing the bit, so it's hard. A bit. Screws are hard to cut. Don't forget that. Drill motor. We need to try to get the drill in center. Low light. Bad angle to work on it. And the bike wants to fall over my old fucking way. There. It goes that way further. That actually helps me a little bit. Okay, we're going to try to figure out how to get this thing on center. So initially you put a hole in it with a center drill. Kind of get an idea of where it's going to. And then you jockey it around by cutting this by different angles like that, or this, or this, whatever it takes to get it where you want to go to. Once you get to go in there a little ways, it'll follow it. Now this broke off, but we're not sure where we're at. Okay, this thread here is the high part of the thread, so I mean it's low, it's on that side. So you're going to see a bigger gap on this side than that side when you're on center. And we are seeing that. This broke off way up in there, so you don't really notice it. This one's kind of close. It kind of needs to go that way slightly. But it doesn't have to be perfect as long as you get it to come out. And if you drill it out, it needs to be pretty much perfect. So you do the best you can is all you can do. Drill at all with a shocker. So that's typical for a bolt. It doesn't appear to be walking around too much yet, luckily. Stupid light won't stay put. Center drill doesn't want to drill it. A regular drill ain't going to drill it either. Pop that light. Not drilling for shit. And I think it's walking up on me a little bit. A little close on the one side. It's walking. And you got to compensate by pushing down, which is hard to do. It is going. Heat this light. It's too fucking bright to see shit with. Well, you get sunballs in your eyeballs. Bright lights suck. Looks like it's walked up pretty high up, which is really bad. I'm going to put a drill in there and see for sure if that's what it's doing. If you put a drill in the hole, you can get a better idea of what it's actually doing. Okay, with the drill in there, it looks pretty good. Looks like it's holding center. So So you put your drill in there, you can actually see exactly where it's at. See? So overall, it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna try to keep going the same angle. Hopefully it doesn't walk on me. Probably will. Oh well, we'll see. Yeah, it sure looks like it's walking uphill. It is. A little bit. Compensate slightly, but don't break the bit off. Alright. Too bad. Okay, we're deep enough. Definitely looks like it's walking uphill. Okay, now I gotta try to drill it. Go downhill. I'm gonna use a drill, new drill I was just using. Alright, see what happens. We'll probably kill the drill bit, but we need to try to walk it down some more. Steady pressure, steady chip flow. Good sign. Bit's still cutting. Getting pretty deep. It's cutting hard metal all the way, so we haven't drilled through. That's good. See the chips are steadily coming out. Keep the speed on the drill motor down so you don't burn it up. Drill motors are made for like wood, I think. They spin so stupid fast. It's ridiculous. Okay, I don't know if that's going to help being a little bit closer or not. It could be pretty well blocked by everything that's going on over here. Yeah, maybe on this side might help. I don't know. All we can do is play with it a little bit and see what works best for looking at it. Alright, we'll try that for a little bit. You can try cutting oil if you want. I usually don't use it. Low speed, steady pressure. Once you see chips dropping like they are, you're going through the metal. Don't be in a hurry. Whoa. That's how they break. It didn't break. Okay, she's in there. I don't know if I can put an easy out in her right now. Hey, it fits. Beat it in there. Let's see if we get lucky. Oh, that thing is in there. That thing's tight. Not that lucky. Okay, we'll try a little heat, see what happens. It's good for burning powder coat too. So 350 degrees, your Loctite will melt. Powder coat starts melting around 506. In there, click. There it goes. There we go. Lucked out. See, I drilled a little bit of an angle. Now it's starting to come out the other side. I was a little bit too much angle on it when I went through the other side. So I overcompensated. It came out. Good deal. Okay. When I clean up, I'll be back.